right now, while you're watching this. A silent revolution is already underway. Not with explosions, but with software that can think, plan, and act. Every day, millions of hours are lost to repetitive work. But a new kind of worker has arrived, not human, but incredibly capable. Unlike traditional software, AI agents don't just follow instructions. They can reason, plan, and take action. And this technology is beginning to reshape almost every industry. But what exactly is an AI agent? Unlike a normal chatbot that simply answers questions, an AI agent can understand a goal, make a plan, use tools, remember information, and complete tasks with little or no human supervision. It doesn't just respond, it takes action. This isn't science fiction. AI agents are already helping businesses answer customers, write reports, analyze data, schedule meetings, create software, and automate entire workflows. Around the world, millions of hours of repetitive work are already being handed over to AI. And this is where things get interesting. An AI agent doesn't simply wait for instructions. You give it a goal, and it figures out the steps. It can search, analyze, make decisions, use different tools, and keep working until the task is complete. In other words, AI is moving from answering questions to taking action. And that's why AI agents matter. They aren't simply another AI tool. They represent a shift in how work gets done. Instead of humans completing every step manually, we can give AI a goal and let it handle the process. And as these systems become more capable, knowing how to work with them could become one of the most valuable skills of the next generation. They represent a shift in how work gets done. Instead of humans completing every step manually, we can give AI a goal and let it handle the process. And as these systems become more capable, knowing how to work with them could become one of the most valuable skills of the next generation. You don't need to become an AI researcher, but you do need to understand how these systems think and how to give them the right instructions. Next comes automation, learning how to connect AI agents to the tools and workflows where real work happens. And if you want to go deeper, learning ARPAS, integrations, and basic coding can take you from simply using AI agents to building them. Finally, you need something no AI can replace: the ability to identify problems, design solutions, and know when the machine is wrong. These aren't just technical skills. They're the skills that let you work alongside AI instead of simply watching it work. You don't need to become an AI scientist to take advantage of this shift, but you do need the right skills. The most important ones aren't just about using AI. They're about understanding it, directing it, connecting it to other tools, and eventually building systems that can act on their own. First, AI literacy, understanding what AI can do, where it fails, and how agents actually work. Second, knowing how to communicate with AI clearly, giving it the right goals, context, and instructions. Third, automation, learning how to connect AI agents to the tools and workflows where real work happens. And if you want to go deeper, ARPAS and basic coding can take you from simply using AI agents to building with them. And that's where the real opportunity begins. But you don't need to master everything at once. Some skills will give you a much bigger advantage than others. And the best place to start isn't coding. It's understanding how AI agents actually work. Start with AI literacy. Then learn how to communicate with AI effectively, giving agents clear goals, context, constraints, and instructions. Next, learn automation, workflows, and integrations, because an agent becomes much more powerful when it can use the tools around it. And once you have those foundations, you can move into ARPAS, coding, and building your own AI agents. So where do you actually learn these skills? You don't need to spend thousands of dollars to get started. Start with free resources, official documentation, tutorials, and real projects. Paid courses can help later, but you're paying for structure, not magic. HuggingFace.ai Agents course, free, hands-on, specifically focused on building agents. Microsoft Learn.ai Agents for beginners, fundamentals plus working code. Microsoft GitHub. DeepLearning.ai, use it as another structured source for AI learning. But don't just watch courses. Build projects. Learn, build, level up. But don't try to learn everything at once. Start simple. First, understand AI and how agents work. Then learn to give them clear instructions. Next, build simple automations and connect tools. And finally, learn to build and test your own agents. This progression is consistent with current beginner agent curricula. Microsoft's beginner course moves from agent fundamentals toward building, while Hugging Face progresses from fundamentals to frameworks, use cases, and a final agent project. Once you understand the basics, don't spend months just watching tutorials. Build something. Start with one simple problem, give your agent a goal, connect the tools it needs, and let it do the work. Goal AI Agent. Example, find and organize potential customers. And once you can build and use AI agents, the possibilities go far beyond one project. You can automate businesses, build AI-powered services, freelance, improve your own career, or even create something of your own. AI agents aren't some distant future. They're already changing how work gets done. You don't need to know everything today. Start learning, build something, and learn how to work alongside the technology that's changing the world.